in a biscuit factory. A biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuit. We get different types of biscuit in shops. They come in colorful packets. They are made in a factory. But how are biscuits made in a factory? Let's find out. Get a recipe. Get the ingredients, things that go in a biscuit. Decide how much of each to use. Weight each ingredients. Mix the things and make a dough. Knead the dough. Roll out the dough. Cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. Bake the dough shapes in an oven. Cool the ready biscuits. See if the biscuits are done or baked properly. Pack the biscuits into packets. Store and sell the packets.